Can we go? Come on. Come on. Let's walk. Let's walk. Malachi, let's walk, friend. And this is usually what I have to do to get him to the car. It's horrible. Yeah, he's heavy. Alrighty, jump in, bud. Hop in. Thank you, friend. Can you sit down? And I'm breathing heavy right now. It's that hard to get him in his seat. And he doesn't do this to Dad. He just does it to me. Yep. Likes to give Mommy a hard time. Sometimes I get smacked in the process. All right, buddy. Time to go. Welcome back, you all. This is Tamika, living with autism. So I just showed you guys a haul of my JCPenney's walkthrough. Come along with me to JCPenney's. And I was showing you their Easter decor and their spring decor. So I want to share with you all today some of my purchases from that haul. And it's not going to be a really long one, but I hope you enjoy it. And I will show you at the end what my savings were. So first on that haul, what I have right now is the Tough But Sweet pineapple and coconut hand soap. And it looks like this. You know, it has the little thing on there. I can take that off. I just think it's so cute. And it smells so good, you guys. So all the ones that I purchased were ones that I smelled and I couldn't walk away from the smell. So this was the first one, and I can't wait to display this in my kitchen or bathroom. My next one that I purchased is the Lemon Twist Scented Hand Soap. And these are made by Simple Pleasure. Oh, and the pineapple was 11.8 fluid ounces. And this one I'm getting ready to show you now, 11.83 fluid ounces. And here we go. I love anything lemon, you guys. I think by far, you know, a lot of people like citrus smells. Mine would have to be lemon. It's just cutely shaped. Look at that shape, y'all. And y'all excuse my nails. They are starting to grow, you know, but I'm still dealing with the fungus part of, I'm still treating them, but they are starting to grow. So this is the lemon, and it smelled like lemon. It's a lemon twist, you know, really nice. I will tell you what I paid for these, because these were a different price than the others I'm going to show you. So these two right here were marked as $3.99, and I only paid, they were marked $3.99. I paid $2.09 for the both of them. So that was a good deal. Now, the next one I'm going to show you, and I hope I don't drive you guys crazy with my scents. I'm telling you, because I love everything about lemon. So then this one right here is lemon citrus. I love lemon. How many times I got to say that? Okay, I'm not going to say it no more, I promise. But anyways, this one is Good Home Keeping. And it is 13.5 fluid ounces. If you can see that. Yeah. So. And then the next one, I grabbed two of these. So I didn't really pay attention to the packaging being different, the labeling being different. I just knew it was lemon and I grabbed it. It is lemon verbena scented hand soap, and it's made by Good Home Keeping, and once again 13.5 fluid ounces. If you saw that. And this one is just basically the same thing, just different packaging. The lemon verbena. And then this next one I'm getting ready to show you is the Coconut Grove. I'm telling you, I gotta smell that one again. I like coconut. It's okay. I think at the store I was just a little excited. So here you go. Coconut Grove. And once again, 13.5 fluid ounces. Yes. As you guys can see, I love hand soaps. I mean, if I went to Bath and Body Works on a sale, I'd be going crazy there too. This one is Coconut Lime. Smell that one again too. I didn't want to do the lemons because the lemons, oh yes, that's nice. The lemons would have made me want to go wash my hands right now. Alrighty, and once again, same 13.5 fluid ounces. Yep. And now I am on the honey honey almond scented hand soap. And they're all the same size, you all, just different scents. Honey almond. And this one is the Magnolia Peach. I have to smell this one again too, sorry. That's a nice subtle, flowery kind of scent. Yeah, the Magnolia Peach. Hope you got that. And this one right here is the Parisian Lily. Yeah, I think it's Parisian Lily. Pretty pink. And I know it has like a really nice flowery scent as well. Oh yes, that one's nice. That one's really, really nice, you guys. Oh yes. That's going in my bathroom for sure. So, all these wonderful scents right here. I got so many of them, you guys. I got so many of them. I was so proud to be collecting all these wonderful scents. I was just, you have no idea how excited I was. I mean, even the people at the store, they were like, looking at me like I was crazy. They were like, why is she buying all those hand soaps like that? And I was like, I can't just walk away from them. I gotta have them all. So, gotta get my thumbnail, you all. Moving on from my, let me tell you how much the hand soaps were. So, all these hand soaps were $1.99. And all I paid for them was $1.04. Then I went to the clearance area. After I got these soaps, I walked through the clearance area. I showed a little clearance, but I didn't want to waste too much time on the clearance. These are items you didn't see on the video. So these workout gloves right here, yoga gloves, they have that nice gription on them. I needed a nice pair of workout gloves because when I walk on the treadmill, sometimes my hands get a little rough from holding on to the little railing. So anyways, these originally were priced at $9.99, and I paid, well, it's not what I paid, but they were marked clearance as $4.99. And what I ended up paying for them was $3.82. And this right here was, I love cups, you guys. I love cups, but I'm picky about cups. I don't like cups that have that big old hole in the, that you got to turn up and drink like go, go, go. I just don't like that. I like little small sippery holes that you can take little small sips. You don't have to worry about spilling it all on yourself when you're driving. I don't really like to drink out of plastic cups. The only plastic cups I will drink out of are the workout cups with the little handle and the little measurings on the side. They have a little small hole as well to drink out of. And I like to drink out of those. I put my protein drink in there and shake it up because it has the little metal ball. So that works out great. I drink out of those, probably because I can clean them well too. Right now I'm drinking out of one of the metal, I don't know what you call those, the stainless steel cups, and I love it. Water, cold, warm, hot, whatever, it keeps the levels for like a certain amount of time, probably holds for a few hours. But I like drinking out of it. My water comes out tasting just fine, but I would like to drink out of glass. Glass is something I would just love to drink out of all the time, but I can't leave it sitting around because Malachi will get a hold of it and yeah, it'd be all over. So I found this one right here from Gaiam is the name of this glass cup that I purchased. Gaiam. And it says that it is 25 ounces, easy grip water bottle. And it was originally priced at $14.99. And I got it for, where's this cup? Okay, it was on clearance for $7.50. And I got it for $5.73. I saw this water bottle at Target. But if I'm not mistaken, I think theirs was all glass and it didn't have the rubber gripping. So this rubber gripping would come in handy for me because if it fell, if it dropped, hopefully the rubber would catch the fall so that it wouldn't shatter. So I just think that's really cool. And drinking out of glass for some reason is better, so much better than drinking out of plastic. Last purchase that I got, Camry, she just kept saying she needed an alarm clock. She needed an alarm clock, because her alarm clock had broke. And so I was in the clearance area and I saw this alarm clock. And it's a voice activating clock with Amazon Alexa Wi-Fi with Bluetooth. I just thought that she loves technology, so I thought that this would be the ideal clock for her. And it says, make life easier with the voice activating clock with Amazon Alexa. Ask Alexa to turn on your smart home device, set your alarm, play your sleep playlist, and much more. This is what that looks like. Really nice clock. She sat down with this clock and it didn't take her long at all to set it up. She actually enjoyed the technology part of setting it up. So, and this clock originally ran at $109, and I didn't pay, but it was on clearance for $54.48. I don't know if you can see that. That's what it was clearanced out for. And what I ended up paying for it was the $49.08. That's with all of my discounts. So, what did I spend that day at JCPenney? And here you go. I spent $76.06. So what was my total savings? right there. Total savings was $86.80. It would have helped if I would have highlighted this for you all. I don't know if you could see that. $86.80 was my savings. $76.06 was what I spent on my purchases at JCPenney. So I hope you guys saw some things that you could recreate, or some things that you might even want to go into JCPenney's and purchase. Excuse me, I just got done eating. I don't know if you guys are aware that JCPenney's was getting rid of their home department, which was their refrigerators, stoves, microwaves, washer and dryers, and things like that. I know our JCPenney's here in Davenport, I live in Bettendorf, but it's a skip and a jump from Davenport. But we have a few left. I just saw yesterday, I seen a few refrigerators, um, maybe a few microwaves. They're going off the shelves. So if you're in need of something like that, they're 50% off, and you know, they're good priced and nice stuff. So with that being said, do you, boo? And what makes you happy? Like my shirt says, just do it. Do what makes you happy, you all. Like I said, it's rough and it's really hard for me to get out here and do these, but I am trying to give you guys content. And I hope that, like I said, you guys can find some things to recreate, because that was the main purpose of me doing that JCPenney's haul, because I saw so many things that could have been recreated. Buying items from Dollar Tree or Target, may even be able to find something at Walmart. So, yeah, I mean, like I said, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this because I'm starting to ramble. But, I enjoy talking with you all. Hey, if you guys want to see another video from JCPenney's, like in a whole different department, maybe some more home items, just let me know. Jot it down in the comments, and I will try to get that video out for you all. Until next time, like I said, do what makes you happy, because you are the only one that matters. Until next time, you all.